What is well known from medical science is that we have something called the medulla in our brain. The medulla in our brain is a part of our brain that that switches on. When it switches on, then we are unable to bring out creativity or function very well. Whenever the medulla switches on, it confuses us. Whenever the medulla switches off, then energy and execution happen in our body. What has been well documented is that fear switches on the medulla. And when the medulla switches on through fear, then that is when people are paralyzed. They can't think, they can't act, creativity dies down, execution falls. Let me give you an example. Has anyone worked with designers, graphic designers? Yeah? If you have worked with graphic designers before, and these are creative people, generally creative people become graphic designers, etc. With graphic designers and creative people, if you put them under pressure, I need a website right within 3 hours, okay? Within the next 3 hours, I need a website, okay? And do we a good job and make sure it looks good. Or I need a poster for the Green Lane conference. You know, we've got 1 day to go. You know, in true Muslim style, you give them 1 day. You know, get the best conference poster you can, right? What you're going to find is that their creativity will go down because they're under pressure. The medulla is active and so they cannot think really well. And that's the mushkila with fear. Fear inhibits education. Fear inhibits learning. Fear inhibits creativity. Fear inhibits success and progress. So ikhwati, fear doesn't work, not with children especially, because it paralyzes them. And the biggest problem that we have today with Islamic education of the Quran is that it is taught through fear. It is not taught through positivity or through rewards. Isn't that right? I know, because I've had enough hits on my head from my huzur. Allah forgive him, have mercy on him, and enter him into Jannah if he's passed away. Remember, I said it yesterday, I used to read Qul Huwallahu Ahad, Ya Huzur. What does it mean? He used to say, it doesn't mean anything, read, you know. It doesn't mean anything. You know, this is the type of education, unfortunately, that is very common in our madrasas, where the huzur doesn't even know what he is reading, much less وَالْعَادِيَاتِ ضَبْحًا, as Shaykh Yahya was saying. Even Qul Huwallahu Ahad he doesn't know. How amazing is that? Ya salam. So ikhwati, positivity is the name of the game. If you are positive with the children and use a reward system with them, you can achieve wonders with them. Wonders. Wonders, wallahi. And I use this with my children all the time. I use bribes. I bribe them a lot. I use gifts. I use presents. I use opportunities of going for holidays to get the most Quran memorized and the best character and akhlaq out of them. My sincere advice is, if you want your children to be more involved in the Quran, then use this system which has, mashallah, tabarakallah, has been documented and proven to work. Use a reward system and success system.